Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or remove any location in Google Maps. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up Google Maps, make sure Google Maps is up to date with the latest version. From here, we just need to type in that business address or that address inside of here. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be choosing faster pasta here at Sefton Park. So I'm going to click onto that business location, and then from here scroll up, and right at the bottom of the page it will say suggest and edit. So go ahead and click onto that. Then from here an edit box will appear. At the bottom of this it will say placed is closed or not here. So go ahead and click onto that, and then you can edit the information. So if it's permanently closed, go ahead and click onto that and click submit, or if it's moved to a new location not open to the public, you got all these different options you can choose. From here you want to go ahead and click on submit, and then it will say how your edits are used. Change based on your edits may appear across Google services. Google may email you about the status of your edits. Click on OK.